Yeah, no, it's time to go.
G.
Yeah, yes. Speak out, speak out.
Go. D.
E.
S.
S.
You surrender. You.
Goddess.
Yes. Write down one point in favor of Rishita. Next one, start.
Next one, you
Who's
start.
wrong with it?
Yeah.
S.
R.
Hurry up. No action.
Surrender.
Okay.
SRUMTUOUS. Scrumptious. It's
Yes, R is still wrong. SC minus
Oh!
point to Rishita. Rishita's minus point. Musa's no score at all. Next, Rishita.
Okay. F.
O.
X.
Musa, hurry up.
Surrender.
Fox is an animal.
1 point. Okay, in favor of Rishita.
Now you're right.
A.
AD.
D.
No, I surrender.
Add.
1 point. You could have made it additional.
Additional.
You could have made it. So you see, your brain should be sharp.
Okay. I understand.
You should just keep your vocabulary fresh in your mind.
Okay, I got.
So here, if you write D, you are saying surrender. Why? You could have elongated the word.
I slipped out of my
It
mind.
depends on the strength of the
Yeah,
vocabulary.
it depends.
Next will be the letter.
I will give you the letter. He has written down. P.
O.
POM.
Surrender.
POUS. Pompous.
All right, 1 point in favor of Rishita. Musa could have easily got it by Musa or you. POX Fox. Fox is a busy. You could have got the score.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I have completed here in case of
You wrote.
no.
No, O he had written.
Then she could have written X.
X.
And that would end there. The game would end there and the school would be in hard paper. Understand?
D.
DI. D.
What do you mean? You surrender, Musa?
My word is over because
No, you surrender.
Yes.
You
Died.
ED cannot be added. You know the game rule of the game.
Oh,
ED, ING cannot be added.
Okay.
So minus point in favor of Rishi. Musa plus point 1. Wait. And they're deleting pausing.
R. RU. N.
E.
E. No, I surrender. Run.
1 point in favor of Musa.
Now you have written down DR. I have two consecutive.
Who
I
wrote
write
that
down.
E after N?
I.
R also you wrote.
Because, because she has surrendered. That's why I have
Alright.
No minus point will set.
Okay. Next.
B.
It's writing why. Shake the pen.
Z. Bozo. A stupid person.
That's right. 1 point in favor of Rishita.
Now I will
But
write
Musa could have got that or you could have got that by adding X. Box in
Box.
Z has
Box is right.
Z she has written.
Yes.
Now I will
Mine.
because you two consecutive D and R you have written.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Now my turn. H. L.
Wait. Next. Hurry up. No extent can given.
A.
The standard. The standards. What do you mean?
Oh no!
Yes.
No!
Minus point. Minus point in front of
No!
Pusha, 1 plus point to the heel.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Erase this. I. Z I.
P.
Next.
No, I surrender.
Surrender.
That's the word.
Zip.
Z, what is the meaning?
They means the chain or the trousers that what I will tell. An object it is used which is pulled
Yes.
to close
Yeah.
the string type.
Zipper.
Yes. This.
Zipper
I
is
could have
the
made
hard form.
zipper.
Yes.
Zipper is the hard form.
Yes.
1 point if you're a pusha. But you could have made it zipper. That would be here.
Okay. Now my word is C.
Later, not a word.
Word. Sorry. COP. Mention the word. A letter.
P.
E.
R.
I surrender.
Pusha 1 point.
Okay, now your turn. Okay. OX.
Surrender.
Pusha standard.
Oh no! Damn.
Minus point in front of
Sir, as I left here,
Yeah.
she wrote wrong. Can I means as she is wrong?
What?
No. I have written.
Box in the plural form.
Oh.
A box. That cannot be done.
I could have.
Yes. So you have made a mistake. Mistake is made by
Yeah.
BC. So BC gets 1.
What I can do now? I will
You
write.
play the next set. After that, I will call the new other players.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I am. It's my turn to write N.
Oh.
Hurry up. So much time cannot be given. You will disqualify.
No, I surrender. You write. What is it? No.
Nothing now. Anything could have been there.
I was thinking something of big
Next
letter.
two players.